रेल्वे ट्रकांचे दोट्टीकरण करपाच्या विशयाचेर शेनवारा थळाव्या आमदारांच्या हजेरेत बसका जाली। साश्टी तशेंच कुट्टाळे मतदारसंघात रेल्वे ट्रकाच्या दोट्टीकरणाचे जे प्रश्न समस्या आसा ताचेर तोडगो काडपाच्या हेतूत थळाव्या आमदारांनी आपले प्रश्न बसकेत मांडले। RDX गोवा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस।
Doubling of the railway track from Hospet to Tinaigat to Vasco of the South Central Railway. So this was a meeting, a presentation sought by the Honorable Chief Minister then, and they have come here and we have taken the presentation. And the route has been finalized up to Margao. After Margao there are objections of people, so we have not discussed that portion at all. Up to Margao they have discussed this. Beyond Margao, local objection and Honorable MLA from Kortali, Alina Saldana, also expressed reservations and the sentiments of the people and their opposition to this doubling. And this is why that portion has been kept pending.
What's the portion that exactly kept pending?
So, आमचा मुंबई मुझे मतदारसंघातल्यान स्टार्ट जालो. Salchet taluka has issues. Marungaon taluka has issues.
Okay.
Now I think this issue has been tackled before, but a meeting was called and we are happy that we got an opportunity to speak. Now here are the 3 sarpanchas of the villages in my constituency, and all of us are very definite that there is no land for doubling of the railway tracks.
Okay.
If they try to double the tracks, we'll have the tracks into our compounds and on the verandas of our houses, which cannot be allowed. If we call this development, then development should not lead to destruction. Okay? We are not against development, but let us not use Goa as a corridor for the whole country. Goa is too small. Goa's size is half a district of the neighboring states. Okay? So what is possible in the bigger states is not possible in our state. We have to, our houses are at the risk of collapsing.
If this is done.
Yeah, if this is done. Now, we are told by the railway planners that, oh, we are not touching your houses. I want to tell the railway authorities, you don't have to touch our houses. The proximity of the tracks to the houses and the consequent vibrations will ensure the collapse of our homes. And some of the houses along the track, along the entire route, are heritage houses. Some are houses of the poor. Some are the newly constructed houses. We have our brethren that go abroad, stay away from the families and use all their savings to build a home.